to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin, and in this tutorial, we are going to learn a new different financial formula that is FV, means future value. As a financial analyst, the future value function helps us to compute the future value of investment made by a business assuming periodic or constant payments with a constant interest rate. It is useful in evaluating low risk investments such as certificate of deposit or fixed rate annuities with a low interest rate. It can also be used in relation to interest paid on loans. So basically, this formula contains five parameters. Three of them are mandatory parameter and the rest two are non-mandatory parameters. The first one is rate. This is the interest rate for each period. NPR, this is the total number of payments. PMT, this is actually it is given as mandatory input, but it is an optional argument. So basically, this specifies the payments per period. If we omit the argument, we need to provide a PV argument. And then the fourth one, that is optional argument, which is PV. This specify the present value of investment or loan. And the last one is type, that is relating to the period, that is beginning of the period or at the last of the period. In front of you, this is the example we have taken where our present value or investment, I would say, is 10k, and the interest rate for the year is 4% per annum, and the term is 10 years. Compounding we want to do for 12 periods in a year. So basically, for 1 month, we're going to do compounding. I just computed this figure before only, but we can compute it again. So first we need to give the rate, as the rate is per annum. So we need to divide this rate by 12 because the compounding is to be done at 12 times. Then we need to give the rate, sorry, period, number of periods multiply by 12 because there are there are 12 periods. After that, we don't have any PMT. PMT means that the recurring payments and all. In place of it, we have PV and we can simply press enter. Here we are getting our results are negative. So to get rid of this negative sign, we can simply press negative in front of the present value. How we in this way we can compute our future value. We can take an example where PMT is also used. For example, we are continuously adding to our fund the 2k amount. Instead of 0, we can simply put this 2k and let's see what the result will come. So the result would be -1, and actually I need to put minus like that. So by putting this formula, we are getting our output in a very easy way, that is 3 lakh something. And this is something compounding future value that we can get by applying this formula. So this is all about this formula, guys. Hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.